To turn on the transmitter, open the cover of the battery compartment or press the on-off button with a pointed object. To turn off, press the button for approximately 2 seconds. To protect against unintentional adjustment during operation, the rocker button, with which all settings in the operating menu are selected, is initially disabled. To adjust the settings, open the battery cover and press the Set button located behind it. The rocker button is now enabled. Then adjust the settings in accordance with the menu tree. You can display the transmitting frequency of the selected channel under the menu item Frequency. The frequency information is particularly important if there is a danger of interruptions or interferences from other transmitters at the venue. As with the Evolution G2 transmitters, the on-off button in the menu is used to move a level higher. From the second level, this corresponds to the exit function. You turn on the transmitter and see Channel Off in the display. Which statement is correct? The Channel Off display signals a normal operating state. Everything is fine. Sennheiser's response to the licensing authorities' rule that the RF signal must be switched off 5 minutes after the last audio transmission. This is signaled by the Channel Off display. This state occurs when no microphone is connected immediately after switching on, or, if a microphone is connected, there is total silence in the room for 5 minutes. As soon as an audio signal is received again, the RF signal switches on once more and the Channel Off display disappears. External sound recordings can be broadcast to offer your guests varied and interesting tours. Examples include historical speeches or professionally pre-produced tour recordings. As the frequency response and compression algorithms of the digital transmission is optimized for the transmission of speech, the audio material should be selected accordingly. High-quality music transmission was not a focus during development. The line-level signal is mixed with the microphone signal at a defined level. This means there is no dramatic reduction in the line-level signal when speech is being transmitted. The volume of background music should therefore be set so that it does not affect the intelligibility of the speech. A mono signal is generated from the stereo signal on the 3.5 mm stereo jack as the transmission takes place in mono. The line input is switched on and off in the operating menu. Caution: the mute function does not affect the line input. To stop the audio signal during operation, switch off the play function on the external device, e.g. the MP3 player. For optimal operation of the Tourguide-System, it is imperative that the sensitivity of the microphone and the line input is adapted to the sources. To this end, listen to the sound samples.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome at Sennheiser. Here we are at the headquarters of the company, which is worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome at Sennheiser. Here we are at the headquarters of the company, which is worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome at Sennheiser. Here we are at the headquarters of the company, which is worldwide.
You set the sensitivity of the line input and microphone input in separate menu items in the operating menu. The line input can deal effectively with a maximum input voltage of 2 volts and is therefore optimally suited for mobile devices like MP3 players. The correct setting of the microphone input depends largely on the type of microphone, the distance from the mouth, and the volume of the voice. The sensitivity should therefore be adjusted to the speaker. A good average value for operation with a headset microphone is -6 dB. In situations where unwanted microphone signal transmission would be distracting for the guests, the microphone input can be easily muted with the mute switch. The mute function only mutes the microphone input. The line input is not affected. The mute function would be traditionally used during breaks in a tour or when using the line input. If the microphone input is muted, this status is shown via the mute LED. In the image on the left, CH off appears in the display.